How to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can find and add nearby friends on your Snapchat. So without any further delay, let us get started. Head over to your Settings app and scroll below to Apps. Here, search for Snapchat. Now, as you do so, tap onto Permissions and make sure that you have allowed permission for microphone and your location. Tap onto microphone and tap on allow only while using the app. Now let's go ahead and tap on location and tap on allow all the time or allow while using the app. Now as you do so, let's go ahead and open the Snapchat. Get logged into your Snapchat account, then tap on the plus icon on your top right. As you do so, you will see a list of all the people that you have nearby on your Snapchat location. Then tap on the chat icon, then tap on the maps icon on your bottom left. This will open up your Snap map and it will show you a list of all the people that are nearby from your Snapchat location. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.